Are you looking for the best piping bag? In this video we will look at some of the best piping bag on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, thickened disposable pastry bag icing piping bag. The iLock piping bags allow you to decorate a large number of cakes or big cakes for parties easily because of its large size of 32 by 20 centimeters. Besides, you won't need to change bags or make them full frequently. You will be satisfied with these bags' ruggedness because it is 0.04 millimeters thick and does not burst when used even under high pressure. The transparent design is a great idea to help you observe the color of frosting inside and estimate the amount of them. Also, it is a disposable product, so you do not waste any time cleaning up. Large size 32 by 20 centimeters, time saving as simple as throwing a used bag. Suitable for many kinds of cakes, thick enough for avoiding burst, no time cleaning up. Another thing you don't want to do is continuously fill the piping bag while you're decorating. These have a large capacity and wide opening at 16 inches. This means you can ice a dozen cupcakes without needing to refill the bag. Plus, the wide opening makes filling the bag super easy. Also, since the bag is made of clear plastic, you can anticipate when refills are needed. An added bonus with this set is the extras that come with it. In addition to 100 piping bags, you get 8 decorating tips, 1 coupler and 3 bag ties. This is the perfect starter set to perfect your piping skills. Pros: perfect size for decorating big cakes. Don't worry about cleaning. Include 100 bags. Very convenient as disposable piping bags. Cons: it is poorly sealed seams and thin material, so it cannot hold any significant frosting. Number 2. Keen Pioneer piping bag disposable cake. Do you want a pastry bag that is easy to use and offers neat decorations? Then, Keen Pioneer is the piping bag you should have in your kitchen. This decorative piping bag can be used even by a 12-year-old kid because it's beginner-friendly. It's a quality 16-inch piping bag that offers enough space for refilling and decorating all kinds of delicious pastries. You can use this piping bag to decorate freshly baked cakes, muffins, cupcakes, mashed potatoes, meringues, chocolate eclairs, cream puffs, cookie dough, and deviled eggs. Keen Pioneer is a 16-inch piping bag that you can use for any pastry decoration. It is easy to use and comes with a dispenser so that you can easily store the kit. You can use it as a frosting piping bag even without tips. Awesome, right? It features an anti-slip surface that makes it easy to grip when you decorate your pastries. What's more, you can use these bags for all sort of hot filling as it can withstand temperature within 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. It also comes with a dispenser for hygienic storage. Pros: comes with a dispenser, can be used for hot filling, 16 size for versatile task. The kit is beginner friendly. Cons: does not come with other accessories. Number 3. Sweetie silicone pastry reusable piping baking. Sweetie disposable piping bags have a textured surface that ensures your hands don't slip. Other piping bags can be slippery to grip. The anti-slip features make sure that your hands can focus on designing and baking. Imagine your piping bag bursts right when you are decorating the picture-perfect cake. These piping bags have a thickened upgrade that prevent them from bursting, giving them the strength of a canvas bag. Another thing you don't want to do is continuously fill the piping bag while you're decorating. These have a large capacity and wide opening at 16 inches. This means you can ice a dozen cupcakes without needing to refill the bag. Plus, the wide opening makes filling the bag super easy. Also, since the bag is made of clear plastic, you can anticipate when refills are needed. An added bonus with this set is the extras that come with it. In addition to 100 piping bags, you get 8 decorating tips, 1 coupler and 3 bag ties. This is the perfect starter set to perfect your piping skills. Pros: 16-inch large size and wide opening, BPA-free healthy LDPE plastic, thickened upgrade, no bursting, textured surface, Anti-slip, good grip, safe for use with hot or cold foods. Comes with decorating tips, coupler, and bag ties. Cons. Some users reported that the bag burst when using hot food. Number 4. Kesmoire Piping Bags and Tips Set. This piping bag set from Kesmoire is perfect for beginners and experts alike. This set comes with 6 reusable piping bags made to withstand use without tearing or warping. If you want to save money and the environment, this is a good choice for you. This set comes with 6 different piping bags, 6 piping bag tips, 6 piping bag couplers, and 6 bag ties. Ideal for decorating cake, cupcakes, cookies, candy, fondants, muffin, pies, and anything that requires a variety of creams, frostings or filling. They are easy to clean thanks to the smooth inner surface. Includes a convenient piping bag hook that saves space and hangs to dry. They are also made out of food-grade material, so that you don't have to worry about the health of your family and friends. Pros. Smooth inner surface makes for easy cleanup. Food-grade material gives these many uses. Includes 3 different size piping bags plus tips, couplers, and bag ties. Comes with a piping bag hook for easy drying after cleanup. Cons. Some users reported the bags ripped. Number 5. 400 pieces disposable piping icing pastry bags. How you decorate the sweets shows you a lot about who you are. Wilton has the recipes, decorations, and toppings you like. From making special event cakes to decorating cupcakes with your family. A pair of plastic decorating bags packed with colorful icing, couplers, and piping tips are all it takes to make lovely cupcakes. With bags of design and piping tips, you should be able to refine your cake decorating skills in no time. The Wilton disposable bags are lightweight and durable plastic. It makes them suitable for buttercream, royal icing, and fondant icing jobs. These decorating bags are great for microwave melting, and sugar melts piping. It comes in 16 inches long pouches and suits with standard tips and couplers. They are easy to use and clean. Additionally, you will continue polishing your decorating skills with Wilton disposable decorating bags. When you apply pressure on a plastic bag, the pouch tends to burst, and the coupler was icing out of the piping container. One thing that you might notice about these decorating bags is they are flimsy and thin. These piping bags from Quizmo are 10 inches and 0.06 and thicker than other piping bags on the market. The extra thickness means they can withstand greater compression. The end of the bag can easily be trimmed to fit your piping tip or nozzle. These are multi-purpose but great for popular desserts, birthday cakes, cookies, chocolate, and macarons. Shop with confidence with the 100% money-back guarantee. If you aren't satisfied, for any reason, they will process a full refund or send a replacement. PROs. Comes in 16 inches pastry bags, made with durable plastic. The plastic lets you have a better grip. Leak-proof cake bag. Cons. Thin and flimsy. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.